Imagine opening a private gate and driving into 150 acres of rolling Tennessee countryside, where fenced pastures, peaceful ponds, hardwood forests, waterfalls, hidden caves, and winding creeks all belong to you. Today, we're touring an extraordinary East Tennessee estate that offers the perfect blend of luxury living, equestrian facilities, outdoor recreation, and complete privacy. Whether your dream is raising horses, running cattle, hunting, hiking, or simply escaping to the country, this incredible property delivers a lifestyle few places can match. The estate is thoughtfully designed, with approximately 30 acres of fenced pasture surrounding the home, while another 120 acres of mature hardwood forest stretch beyond, creating an incredible natural playground filled with scenic trails, flowing creeks, natural springs, waterfalls, and abundant wildlife. Horseback riding, ATV adventures, fishing, hunting, and peaceful walks through the woods become part of everyday life. The property also features beautiful ponds, an established apple orchard, cherry trees, grapevines, blueberry bushes, and carefully maintained landscaping that enhance its beauty throughout every season. At the center of the property sits a beautifully crafted 5,474 square foot custom home, built for both comfortable family living and effortless entertaining. Exceptional craftsmanship is evident throughout, with elegant crown and dental moldings, a striking stacked stone fireplace, central vacuum system, and even an elevator providing convenient access to the upper level. The bright sunroom is one of the home's most inviting spaces, offering panoramic views across the farm and creating the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee while watching the sunrise over the rolling pastures. The spacious kitchen is equally impressive, featuring a gas cooktop, oversized refrigerator, generous cabinetry, and expansive counter space that makes preparing meals and entertaining guests a pleasure. Designed with flexibility in mind, the home's layout includes a spacious primary suite and additional bedrooms on the main level, while the upper floor provides multiple rooms that can easily serve as guest accommodations, home offices, hobby rooms, or additional living areas. Surrounded by thriving populations of deer, turkey, and other native wildlife, this remarkable property is equally suited as a luxury family estate, premier horse farm, cattle operation, hunting retreat, or private recreational paradise.